Hey, shut up, Josh. I've got something I want to show you.
What is it?
It's a trick I learned at my cousin's adult baptism.
Oh, cool. I love cherries.
Yeah, me too. So what you can see here is I've got a normal piece of paper that I've drawn a little fat birdie on.
Oh, I've seen this trick.
Shush. All right, I'm going to show you the trick. Okay, so I'm going to point to parts of the birdie, and you're going to say which part of the birdie I'm pointing at.
Okay.
Great. Okay, so here we go.
Beak, eye, wing, tail, foot.
Well done, Joshy. You've unlocked Super Round.
I do know this trick.
Shush! Don't ruin it. Don't ruin the trick for both of us, okay? All right, I'm going to speed up this time, and you're still going to do the same thing, yeah?
Okay.
Ready, here we go.
Beak, eye, foot, wing, tail.
Well done, Joshy! Okay, cool. Now, I'm going to point to all except for one of them, okay? And then the one that I don't point to, you got to keep in your little noggin, okay?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Beak, eye, foot, tail.
Keep it in your noggin, okay?
Yes.
Now, I need you to hold your hand out like this. Cool. And now, when I count to 3, you're never going to believe what happens, but I count to 3, and you're going to say the word that I didn't point to 3 times in a row, okay?
Yes, all right.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wing.
Hello?
Hello?
Sorry, I've just seen this trick before.
Hello? Who is this?
It's Bronny? Who's this?
I'm Bronny. Where did you get this number? Where did you get this number? Where did you get this number? Where the fuck did you get this number? Where did you get this number?